In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use the auction house here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to make your way over to either one of your houses, estates, garages, or the festival site. It doesn't really matter which one of those you do go to. You do need to be in one of them first, though. Once you do get in this, what you need to do is go to the buy and sell section, and then you need to find auction house on here. Go ahead and open this up, and then go ahead and go to search auctions. Now you can search by make, model, performance class, really whatever you want if you're looking for something specific. But once you find the car that you want, and let's just go ahead and hit continue on this, see all of them on here, you essentially need to find whatever car it is, select it. It's going to load for a second just like so, and then you can place a bid or you can buy it out. It's completely up to you. From here, what you're going to want to do is go to my bids and just keep checking your bids to see if you actually win that auction. After you, of course, finish one of those, you can collect that car, and it really is as simple as that. You can also sell cars from the auction house as well by doing start auction, choosing whatever car it is that you want to sell, like this one, for example. Hit auction car, it'll prepare it, and then of course you hit a starting price, a buyout price, how long the auction's going on for, and then you hit confirm. And then of course, once again, you could check my auctions to see that. But that's the full process right here. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.